And let me also thank observers. We had close to 500 national and international observers from various missions accredited to Kenya, and many of them will be filing reports of us. They have already talked to us, some of them, and they have given their impression of what kind of exercise that went on. Many of them are positively surprised that this actually could happen in party primaries. I want to thank our officers on the ground. All in all, this exercise has gone on smoothly, and we have successfully delivered a nomination exercise that is actually a near general election. We have delivered almost 60% of what the IEBC does with 1% of the budget of IEBC. We will be very happy to share this experience with IEBC. Maybe they will have something, one or two things to learn from us on how to deliver such a huge process with cost effectively.